In this video, I am going to reveal exactly how much YouTube paid me in 2025 for my channel that has 2,620 subscribers. We're going to talk about how much I made. We're going to talk about why that number is going to be different for you. We're going to talk about how you can find ideas and how to make more money with your YouTube channel. Now, this is the second time that I'm recording this. I'm going to try and remember all the good things that I said in my original video so that you can hear them again. But what we're going to do is we're going to do it live. We're going to do it again. So I'm really excited for this. I'm going to show you the exact channel. It has 2,620 subscribers, we'll say. The channel is mostly AI, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Like I said, this is my second time recording. I'm going to try and remember every single thing that I said so that you guys get the best information without hesitation. Okay, so here you can see this is my channel, Palette Perfect. I am not afraid of you guys stealing this channel. Most people steal content wrong anyway. And, you know, just some people won't believe me. They'll say that I'm lying and making it up. So this is the exact channel. You can go check it out for yourself. I have 148 videos. What I was doing is I was uploading 3 videos per week on this channel about painting. Yes, boring, old, stupid painting. Watching paint dry. And you know what's worse than watching paint dry? Creating videos about watching paint. But this channel has generated 372,000 views. And what I really want to show you, what's really, really important, and hopefully this will help motivate you and dissuade any preconceived notions that you have about being successful as a small YouTuber. A lot of people will complain and say, you can't make any money on YouTube because you got to have millions of subscribers, or YouTube isn't giving views to smaller creators. As you can see here, 2,000 subscribers. My most viewed video has 71,000 views, but I was very strategic in how I went about making these videos. This one, 62,000 views, and I didn't buy any views. I know there's going to be a lot of people out there that are looking for reasons why this can't work. And if you're looking for a reason why something can't happen, you are never going to be successful, and you should just stop right now. Anyway, 36,000 views, 17,000 views. These are all about paint. I don't show my face. The AI is my voice. The B-roll is from Storyblocks, and the images that I use, like this image right here, is from Leonardo AI. I use Premiere Pro to kind of compile all of this together just because I'm familiar with Premiere Pro. You could use CapCut. You might even be able to use this with Canva. Anyway, these top 7 videos, I'm going to exclude this one because it's just a review video that directs over to an Amazon affiliate link. These 7 videos have over 10,000 views, and my channel only has 2,000 subscribers. But you can see here that this channel gets views. It gets tons of views. And right now, over the last 2 days, it has it's averaging over 2,000 views per day. Okay, so there should be no excuse. There should be motivation. There should be encouragement showing you that you can do it too. Now, one other thing that I want to point out is that the thumbnails are ugly. This thumbnail right here, 9 best color combinations for kitchen cabinets 2025, ugly. And I made it with Canva for free. This one's AI. These 2 are ugly Canva templates. These 2 are AI. And you can see AI kind of got better and better as the months went on. But hopefully, if you're still watching this should motivate you to get rid of any excuse that you have. Okay? Thinking that you need to have the best equipment. No, you don't need to have the best equipment. Thinking that you need to have whatever, right? You need to spend a bunch of money. No, you don't really need to. All you have to do is get out of your own way and get started. But without further ado, let me talk about how much YouTube paid me. So if we go over here and we're looking only at the YouTube Partner Program for the last 365 days, actually let's go to 2025. For 2025, YouTube paid me $1,347. Now, before you click off, I was monetized August 6th. So, you know, part way through the year, most of the way through the year. But what's really important, I want you guys to understand, is the RPM. So what I made for every 1,000 views was just $4.16. And the reason is there's not a huge amount of advertisers out there that want to market for painting videos or videos about paint. That's a very specific group of people. Also, too, there's not a wide, the good thing about this niche is that it's mostly the United States. It's mostly tier 1 countries that need the problem solved. Okay. And what I want to show you is even the average of $4.16, it's going to be different. It's different based on video. It's different based on who's watching the video and when. So thinking, hey, I'm going to make $4.16, that might not necessarily be the case. And what I really want to point out, and I think one of the reasons why YouTubers essentially make the same videos is because they identify videos that do well on their channels based on RPM. And so, for example, this video right here, 10 best neutral paint colors, Sherwin-Williams for a timeless look, pays me $10.21 for every 1,000 views, or $515. But if I scroll down here, the best 9 kitchen color combinations 2025, my most viewed video only pays me 83 cents per 1,000 views. This is one of the reasons why I hate the YouTube Partner Program, because look at this wide variance, right? But I think because I'm more specific here, I got a higher RPM. And what I could do is I could say, okay, this paid me a $10 RPM. How can I create variations of this video so I keep my RPMs high and I keep the views high? Because it brought me 50,000 views. What I could do is I could go over to Sherwin-Williams, and instead of the 10 best neutral paint colors, what's the opposite? Vibrant paint colors. 10 best vibrant paint colors for Sherwin-Williams. Another example that I had and I talked about in my other video was, where'd it go? 7 stunning colors you must pair with, this is it. So 7 stunning colors you must pair with Benjamin Moore White Dove. So what I could do is, since I know that this is going to bring me $13 RPM, why don't I, instead of just talking about White Dove, why don't I go over to Benjamin Moore and I do Rain Dance or First Crush, 7 best paint colors to pair with First Crush or Swiss Coffee or whatever. That gives me all sorts of new video ideas. I have a pretty good idea that the RPM is going to be high and I might get a bunch of views off of it. Okay, so start thinking that way. And the other thing that I can do is, if I close this, I can go over to Audience, scroll down, and look at some of my competitors. And when I click on this one, this brings me to this account right here. And so what I would do is I'm going to go look at the latest. Now, look, they only have 2,000 subscribers. I can take a look at the videos that they have uploaded, over the last 2 months and piggyback off of what's working. If you want to be successful in 2026, don't reinvent the wheel on YouTube. Find a wheel that's already working, pluck the wheel, and make your own version of that wheel. Okay, that sounds crazy. People are going to rage against it. But if you want to be successful, that's what it takes. And I'll show you that's exactly what this person did. So I would make this video. I would actually write it down somewhere to make this video. It would be one of my 3 videos for the week. Top 5 kitchen cabinet colors for 2026. The only thing they've done really is just change the year. Also, look at this one, 29,000 views. Top 3 kitchen trends for 2026. I would also go to popular, top 9 trending kitchen cabinet colors for 2025. That sounds eerily familiar to this one, right? They have 174,000 views. I might go remake this exact video, but put 2026 on it. Top 3 kitchen color trends, 4 best wall colors for dark wood floors. I would make this video. I would start making all of these videos and just throw 2026 on them, because I know that they are proven to work, and this would be updated for 2026. But what's really important is I don't want you guys trying to reinvent the wheel, right? YouTube doesn't want new wheels. YouTube wants what's already been proven to work, and these have already been proven to work. And I guarantee you that if I just copy this, you're going to see a bunch of videos that have the exact same thing, right? Look at this. These are all essentially Essentially the same thing, same video. Oh, look, there's mine. All the same videos, because that's what YouTube wants. You've got to give YouTube what they want instead of trying to be cute. Anyway, if we go back over here, what I want to highlight, what I want to illustrate are a couple things. Number one is look at your top geographies. Mine, United States. Because most people, not most people, a lot of people in the United States want to buy their way out of a problem. Instead of being happy with the paint that they have, they're going to run out to Sherwin-Williams and buy new paint because they feel like that's going to solve all their problems. They saw somewhere on TikTok that changing the paint color will solve all of their relationship problems. So they're going to go to Sherwin-Williams. India typically, most of their people don't have the ability or the want to buy their way out of problems, and so they're not going to spend money. And because advertisers know that, they're not going to be willing to advertise there. And so that's really important to understand when you're doing this. You want to look at what's already working. Look at this, top 5 paint colors my clients always love. We can make that video, right? Top interior paint colors for 2026. We can make this video. Add a spin on it. Add in some sort of curveball. Top interior paint color accent walls. Add in if you want to try and be cute and unique, add in a qualifier. 10 living room paint colors for 2026 you've never seen before. Go over to AI and ask for ask for 5 variations of this title. So let me just illustrate with you guys real quick what I did to make these videos and what I could do going forward. First of all, going forward, what I would do and what I've done is I would add affiliate links. I've made more money with affiliate marketing on this channel than I have with AdSense, right? And so I put in affiliate links to paintbrushes and painter's tape and all. What are one of those the paint not paint rollers too, but the spray paint, so people can just spray it and go quicker. All of those link right over to Amazon. That if you want to make more money, you want the opportunity to make more money, you want to double your income, go find affiliate links that are relevant. Don't just throw in affiliate links because you think they're going to bring you a bunch of money. Go find affiliate links. So let me just talk about the process, what I did here real quick, and then we can wrap up. So what I did is I went out and I typed like this generic term. I typed in like paint colors. And then I found a bunch of channels. So I'll walk you through this. So like paint colors for living room. Great. Okay. So what I did next is I would go to this channel, open it up. Ideally, what I'm looking for is first, I want to find channels that have less than 10,000 subscribers. These are all big channels and it can work, but this channel only has 2,000 subscribers. This one, which is one that I've piggybacked off of before, only 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to go here and I'm going to do 2 things. I'm going to go to videos. I'm going to take a look at the videos that have done well in the last month. Okay, nothing over 1,000, that's fine. But I'm going to go to popular. Okay, look at this. 56,000 views. I'm going to make this video, but I'm going to update it for 2026. Hey, does this look familiar? 10 best Sherwin-Williams interior paint colors for 2025. I guarantee you that I have that video somewhere. Let's go to your channel. I guarantee you that I have that video somewhere. But if you look, 10 best Sherwin-Williams living room colors, 17,000 views. What I'm looking for is something called a good view to subscriber ratio. That's when they have more views than subscribers. For example, this one has, 56,000 more views than subscribers. That's a very good ratio. And so I'm going to record all of these different video ideas to be made later. Now, not all of them are going to hit. That's fine. But if 1 or 2 of these hit, all of a sudden you've got a couple videos. You've got a couple videos that do good numbers, right? So that's the first thing I'm going to do is is get a collection. I'm going to make 3 videos per week. Then I've spent a lot of time refining my prompt on ChatGPT so that it gives me a very detailed and thorough script. I take that script after I'm satisfied with it, and I plugged it into a software called HeyGen. Now, HeyGen does both audio and video, but I liked it because it mimicked your voice. Once I do that, copy it, put it right into your video editing software. Again, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use whatever works for you. Then you take B-roll, and if you look at these videos, I encourage you guys, go look at this channel. If you look at this, I just changed something like every 5 seconds. So I went and downloaded a bunch of videos that were relevant to like interior house or exterior house. Like if we click on this, I gotta mute this because I don't want to get a copyright strike on my own channel, right? So if I mute this and we just click play, these are just exterior images and colors and stuff that I got from a website called Storyblocks. Now that's a subscription, but look, simple motion graphics. But when we get here, these are still images that I got from Leonardo AI. Now you could get this, you could do this for ChatGPT, and I started off using ChatGPT. It just took a little bit longer, but that's the entire process. And then I would upload my script into ChatGPT and have ChatGPT write my description. If we look down, this is an AI description. You can see my affiliate links here. Actually, the description is actually really light. Then I had it do timestamps as well, and that's it. And then I would upload and walk away. Some people are going to comment that they don't like it. A lot of people commented that they like this video, right? But this is it, guys. You have to be consistent. You have to be persistent. You have to be willing to do trial and error, figure out what works and what doesn't work for you. But this is something that anybody can do. If you can't afford to use a software, start off using your voice. Okay? Start off spending more time and energy getting things up and running. Because what I can do now that I have a process that works, I have a standard operating procedure that, oh look, 2,000 subscribers. I have a standard operating procedure that brought me $1,300 in just a few months. What I can do is I can go over to a website called onlinejobs.ph, onlinejobs.ph, and I could hire somebody to do this for me, to compile all of this for me. I give them the prompts. I tell them, I record a video showing exactly what I'm looking for and what I'm expecting. Give them the tools and say, hey, look, I'll give you $20 or $30 per video per week. And so $30, that's $90. That's $90 a week, right? Yeah, $90 a week, about $400 a month. And at one point, I was making over $400. So I would be breaking even and bringing a little bit more. And, it's outsourced. And I can focus on something else. But what I want you guys to understand is that you've got to get out of your own way. You got to get started. You've got to be willing to deal with a little bit of adversity, overcoming that adversity so that you can be successful. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.